Hi. Today, we will help you log into your account created by your own organization on the TRX app. If your account has already been created, you would receive an email from @TRX_app.io. Go to your favorite email client like Gmail or Outlook. Open your email that your organization used to create your TRX account and check for an email from @TRX_app.io. If you couldn't find the email, please wait for 2 to 3 minutes or check the spam folder. Find the email and look for email and password. Open the login screen and you would be asked to enter your email and password. The next screen would ask you to provide your current password that you received in an email and set up your own new password that you will be using on the TRX app. On successful verification, you can log in and start being the part of logistics revolution.